guys. They're just walking along the creek. Got a fatty. What is going on, everybody? It's James Gone Fishing. So we're out here in this little creek today. We're chasing the smallmouth again. So it's the very end of September. I think it's like the third day of fall, and the action's hot. We're catching a lot of them. Once again, we're just throwing the Tackle HD high def crawl. Great bait for these smallmouth. Don't forget to subscribe to catch some big fish, guys. Hit that like button as well and drop a comment. All right, let's go catch these fish. Oh yeah. Guys, these smallmouth are so aggressive. Beautiful little fish. It's the fall time, and they're eating a lot. They're getting ready for winter. Now's a great time to catch them. There's another one. You guys, these smallmouth are out to get it today. There's a hungry fish. Perfect time of the day. I mean, it's fall time, temperature's dropping, so the fish are hungry. All right, guys, we're in this pretty skinny section. A lot of current up here, a lot of logs. There's gotta be some kind of fish in here. Oh my gosh. He hammered that. Knew there was gonna be one in there. There he is. Not a bad little smallie. Fall time smallie. Beautiful. Gotta love it, guys. There's something. Oh, there was a giant following him. A giant. Nice little one. But there's like a 2-pounder. That was a fatty that was following him. Come on, fatty. Oh my, did we get the fatty? I don't know if it's the fatty, but it's a pretty good one. It's a fatty. It's not the fatty, but that is a fat little smallmouth. Getting ready for winter. Let's see if we can keep it going. not a fatty. Whew. Little fatty. I guess it's just a numbers day today because we're catching lots of them. They're hungry. Not a lot of big ones. Beautiful little fish. No! That's a pretty good one. That's kind of cool. Turtle shell, completely hollow. Wonder if I could make like a bait caster cover. What the heck? Alright guys, well what a day. It was quite a numbers day today guys. A lot of smallmouth. As soon as the temperature starts dropping, that's when the fish really start biting. So no fatties though. We caught some little chubby ones, but no real true fatties were caught. But it was a very great day. Guys, if you're liking the content, hit that like button, drop a comment. Feel free to subscribe. As always guys, I'll see you on the next one. Keep on fishing.